who doesn't like it when basic is done well? Porsche, perhaps keen to remind people that they do, in fact, build entry-level versions of their cars, will introduce two style editions for the 2024 model year that are based on the lowliest 718 Boxster and Cayman sports cars. Of course, lowly is relative. These lightweight, rear-drive, mid-engine 718s have 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter flat fours onboard, and will come standard, yes, even in style edition form, with 6-speed manual transmissions. Wish you could be stylish and have the 718S model's 350 horsepower 2.5-liter flat 4? Or maybe the 718 GTS wonderful flat 6 engines? Buy one of those, and customize it using Porsche's extremely deep roster of upgrades and personalization options. The style editions come only with the entry-level 2.0-liter, full stop. The style editions get gloss black 20-inch wheels, Porsche and model script, and tailpipe accents. The Boxster model's convertible top also inherits embossed Boxster script on the top, which is visible when the top is lowered. Porsche also will offer the special edition 718s with either white or black contrast stripe packages. Check out the white option on the ruby-colored Boxster above, which also net corresponding color wheels, so, go with the white, and you'll get sweet white rims. Everything else in the style edition marks an upgrade over regular 718s, too, with plenty of otherwise optional content standard, including black leather upholstery with chalk-colored contrast stitching, a heated steering wheel, illuminated stainless steel door kick plates, and the Porsche crest embossed on the seat headrests. That stuff comes on top of the regular 718's already standard adaptive bi-xenon headlights, sport exhaust, auto-dimming rear-view mirrors, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, and front and rear parking sensors. See? Porsche doesn't really build basic cars, but the style editions, like the more performance-oriented, but also relatively affordable, base-engine 718 Boxster and Cayman T models, show it can stuff all of its lineup with goodness, not just the headline grabbers like the Cayman GT4 RS or 911 GT3. The style edition 718s will go on sale next year in Europe before making their way stateside as 2024 models, so if this specific style is your bag, prepare to wait a while.